For us, it's like we both are working, full-time working. We don't have too much time to explore the right property, right area, what is the good for us. Hi, my name is Dinesh.
My name is Nivedita.
And we have been introduced to Auswide team by our broker, and they recommend that if you are really searching for a property, they recommended Kamar and Ashish. That's if we can take their services.
Hi, I'm Ashish Malhotra, Director and Lead Buyers Agent at Auswide Buyers Agency. Here at Auswide Buyers Agency, we're supporting homeowners and we're supporting investors buy in growth locations across Australia. Particularly this property, we've really worked hard. The stock is tight. We've made sure the client gets access to the stock at the right price in the right locations.
Gee, what a phenomenal chance you've got to secure yourself into this Cherrybrook location. And location, it's really what it's all about. It is walkability. Walk to the shops, walk to school, walk to parks. Options is what we love when it comes to quality real estate. Mitchell and the team have done a great job with the campaign. Who'd like to own it? Opening offer. We're at $1.3 million with my lap lighter and my starter. At a bid $1.3 million, $1.6 million. He throws down the gauntlet to you all at $1,777,780. At 1,780, once, twice, third time, and it sells. All done. Sold. Congratulations. Very, very well bought.
I'm very excited to let you know that our client has secured this property amongst 20 bidders. And that too, we have not overpaid because the client has paid for the location, for the school and the potential in the property.
We feel really good. It's a really awesome experience. Close to 2 and 3 months, you have shown so many properties, and we have seen so many properties in direct in realestate.com and all other websites as well. But the way you guys guide us, it's a really totally different. Where we should buy it, where there is a little bit potential, how we have to do in upcoming days, and where the kids should have a shorter time period to go to school and all this stuff. Both the kids, if they have a same school, we are really thankful to you for that, for your guidance on this. When we came here in the morning, we were a bit nervous. We have seen so many people around standing there, and we have more than 20, close to 20 bidders. But your strategy and the way you have devised each and everything, that's really work. And for us, it's like a win-win situation.
It's good to get opportunity to work with Ashish Malhotra. He appointed me as a property acquisition for owner occupiers. And this is my third property which I closed within 2 months. And I believe this is the best Christmas gift I got from my clients.
I think I definitely want to recommend like Ashish and Kanwar. Basically, the way you guys worked with us, we always felt like, you were genuinely interested in helping us, find the right house for us. So that genuine interest, I think you feel very close. So I think I would definitely recommend, because you're not treating people as just customers. You are actually, taking that care, going that extra mile to make it work for them. So definitely I would recommend Auswide to everyone.